So guys, welcome back to our channel, The Creative Anxiety. Today we are gonna talk about humanity. All over the world, we are aware of the fact that the Taliban has took over Afghanistan. But one thing lies, that humanity is lost within us. By saying this fact, I am not spreading hate to any other country, but I want to tell that we have lost our humanity for people. The people who are living in Afghanistan, are they not humans? They should be helped, right? The videos that we see every day, jumping from the plane, trying to escape the country, trying to flee from every border they can. By seeing these situations, does the world wide or the United Nations doesn't want to help this kind of people? Aren't they aware of the situation what they are facing through? Yes, the world is aware of the situations. The main thing is that we are not helping. Even we people are not supporting also this issue. This is not a simple issue, guys. A terrorist group, the Taliban has taken over a country. And you can imagine anything can happen in the future. No one can predict the future, right? The Taliban is a terrorist group. And you everyone knows that they have been fighting for years for getting into power. And if you know now that if a terrorist group is in power, what will happen in future? If they discover any nuclear missile or any nuclear activity, there will surely be a World War III coming soon in future. Being aware of the fact the world leaders are doing only one thing, writing hashtags, saying hashtag pray for Afghanistan. Just tell me people, will it help? By writing a hashtag and saying there pray for Afghanistan, will it save the life of millions of people who are trapped in there? In here I'm not only blaming the US and the UK, I'm blaming all the world leaders around the globe. They kept promises, right, that they will help Afghanistan to free terrorism, a terror free country, a terror free world. But keeping certain fake promises, will it help? Leave these fake promises, everything is done now. Kabul has been taken over by the Taliban. Now, the main thing is that you have to save humanity, right? You have to save the people, the children, and the women living there. For that, also, they can send some help, right? But why aren't they doing that also? Bad part is that they are trying to flee the country in any way as possible, but they can't due to many restrictions. Even we have seen many videos like they are falling off the plane, fleeing in from another country, crossing borders. They are not allowed to cross borders also. Why aren't the people taking humanity at stake? Means they are not helping people, right? Why they are not saving people? Why they are not respecting humanity? Why the other countries are not helping? My question is this. Is this the way how do you treat your children? Is this a way how you treat your son and daughters? Is this the way how you will treat every person in the world by not helping them, by keeping them false promises? This video is not only for the US and UK. I'm not blaming all these countries. I'm not blaming any first world country, but I'm blaming the whole world. The whole world is responsible for this. The whole world is responsible by making false promises for Afghanistan, by saying them that they will help them in future, by saying them that they will help them in fighting the terrorist groups. I'm blaming the whole world. How can how can people be so mean? How can people forget about humanity by not saving other humans? See, like this only it happens. People will only keep fake promises that we will help, but at the end, they only think about themselves. But in this case, humanity is at stake, and we should be helping them. And we should send these voices to our leaders and tell them as soon as possible to evacuate the people from that country. This video is not about saying that we should pray for Afghanistan. We should help Afghanistan. Our voices should reach our world leaders that we should be helping Afghanistan by helping them by evacuating them from that situation. And this video should be shared to everyone so that every people can raise their voices to their world leaders and ask them that why you are not helping them in the sake of humanity. They should be helped, right? And this video should reach every part of the world that humanity should be saved. And we should fight for the people who are living in our country and all over the world. Our voices should reach our world leaders so that they will help them. This video is not about likes, it's about sharing and caring. Sharing for people and caring for humanity. Till then, this is the Creative Anxiety signing off.